Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? Let me introduce myself. My name is Serwata Sustiawati. You can call me Zero. I'm from Universitas Islam Kabupaten Antasari Banjarmasin, Fakulty Tarbiyah and Teacher Training, Jurusan Matematik Education. Well, here I will explain about finding of the human equality and discussing on equality as a percentage of another equality. Finding the original quantity and percent itself and is rejected.
It's time to learn about something called percentage.
Percentages are super important. Well, when it comes to percentage, the answer is 100% of the time. Well, alright, maybe not 100% of the time, but a lot. Alright then. Are you ready to learn the key to understanding percentage or percentage? They are called for short. A percent is a fraction. What? That's right. A percent is a fraction. And since you already know all about fraction, learning about percent is good but easy. But a percent is not just any old fraction. A percent is a special fraction that always has 100 as the bottom number. If this percent, no matter what the top number is, the bottom number will be 100. In fact, because the bottom number of a percent is always 100, we don't even write it. Instead, we use this handle title symbol called a percent sign. Whenever you see this symbol after a number, it means the number is a percent. It's really a fraction with 100 on the bottom, but it's just being written is this more compact form. Like this number 15 here, it's got the percent sign after it, so we rate it a 50%. And because percent is really a fraction that always has 100 as the bottom number, we know that is meant the same thing as 50 over 100. Percent make over more sense if you know that the word percent means. The prefix of the word per mean for each or for every. Now like if some side only we cooking per person. And the root word cent is Latin for 100. That's with their 100 cent in dollar. So, percent literally per 100, and that they are shortcut for writing fraction that have 100 as the bottom number. I like them. So whenever you see a percent like this, you can know it can be replaced with or converted to a fraction. Let's look a new example so you see the pattern. 3% means 3 over 100. 10% means 10 over 100. 25% means 20 over 100. 75% means 75 over 100. Finding the percentage I mean something like is 10% of 20. We go step by step to understand this. First, let's look at 20%. First, let's look at 10%. We can write 10% by 100. 10 pass out of 100 of mean multiple b. And we write 20 as is. 10 times 10 is 100. And 2 times 3 is 20. So this equals 3. So 10% of 20 is 3. But what does is actuality mean? Let's understand this with an example. What is actually means? Is 3 out of 20 pence equal 10%? Insert on this sheet. Example. Finding original amount after an issued or disread. So here, what we are looking at two things: finding the original amount after if insert or disread it. Okay, with a percentage. So when I look at this problem, after 20% insert a TV was 750. What was it before? What was the original price? To think her looking at her number on its original price. So original price tells me that I'm going to be using division to solving thing. Okay, I'm going to dividing to solve. Also have this one up here a 25% interest to those are the two bits of information that I need to solve this, and if I want to find the original price always for all this problem. How I work this out is, if you want to find out the original amount is the new amount, in this case 750 divided by the multiplier, and what the multiply is what we did in the previous note with percent, inch rate or this rate. It's writing this as a decimal. Okay, so 25% inch rate, what this mean? 25 inch rate 1.2 fan. This number is my multiplier. Okay, so many amount, let's count. That is my new amount. In this case is 700 and my multiplier is 1.25. That is after 25% interest. Okay, and after I get 700 was my original cost, original price. Also we hopeful we were done this already, and this is the first step. We can write to get me original amounts.